Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and today we are going to dismantle Santa's golf course. I recently shared it with you, but before we dismantle it, I would like to share with you the pieces again one more time. This is Santa. He lost the ball and he is looking up in the sky. He doesn't see it. The dog doesn't see it either. He has a little dog back there. He doesn't see it either. No one sees the ball. Why? Because look, this dog has the ball here. So I made this creation on a towel. A towel is the golf course. I added these little stones to the sides because I have more on this side. Where Santa is standing, this is actually a plastic piece that I found very interesting because it's green and there was an ornament that came in there. This is an interior of a box and it happened to have a little hole right there. So I figured this would be a great piece for where he's supposed to be standing. Now this little dog is perfect for his height and he's looking up. Back there I have two landscaping pieces that I made myself. And back there is that home in the middle with the background. The background is a page from a calendar. On the sides, I added other homes. And I added greenery to the back. I also added one of my plants. That is a plant, but it looks like a tree. And if I back up, you can see that all this is taking place in a living room, in my living room. So I'm backing up so that you can see the entire living room. So why don't we dismantle this? So let's take this piece away. Let's take the fence away with all the greenery. Oh, let's take this away. So this is a towel. That's all this is. I've had this towel for a long time and I said to myself, wow, it looks like grass. I could use it for some creations. So here it is. So yeah, that's it. I wanted to show you this. So I hope that you have enjoyed. Stay tuned for more creations and thank you so much for watching.